Mind is very powerful, but the only thing is if it can listen to your command. Right now, it's not listening to our command. Basically, we are listening to its command. If it want to make us feel miserable, it make us do. No one want to feel miserable. Everyone want to feel joyful. But the thing is, mind is not listening to our instructions. It is kind of, mind is, if I can say, the most powerful technology that is available
Mhm.
to the person. But we have not read its user manual, how it operates. Like we drive a car or some new mobile, we read a user manual. So right now we are trying to understand what is the user manual saying, how it operates, how
Right.
how it can work in favor of us if we want. Because technology is good, it can be constructive, it can be destructive also. Like we have used the technology in the world for destruction also. So same thing sometimes we keep on doing with our own self when we use the same mind to worry, to stress about the things which have not happened yet, or to beat upon the things which have happened in the past, it is gone. But we don't realize the more we use the mind in a certain direction, positive or negative, it will recycle same kind of experience again and again. So the sensible thing is to understand how it operates and to make it work in favor of us, to make us
Right.
joyful. For that, we need to think good, we need to feel good. We cannot force feeling good, we cannot force thinking good. What can we do then? First, we can bring it to the neutral state. We can create a new baseline where there is nothing positive, nothing negative, no, nothing right, nothing wrong. From there, we can build upon it whatever we want. So we are not trying to push ourselves into thinking positive, right? We are simply trying to first read the user manual of the mind, create a new baseline, then think about what we want. Because, with the chaotic mind, we don't even know what we desire. We don't know our own worth. We don't know
Mhm.
our likes and dislikes. By the external influences, we end up creating our desires. So even a desire has to be created with a still mind. So that is what we are trying to do. And you'll see the progress. Mind doesn't has its own existence. When you meditate and when the activity decreases in your brain, that activity is called as mind. When there is no activity, that's a no mind state. In spirituality, every time it is said that they try to achieve the no mind state. That's where the actual power lies. That's where the answer comes. So mind basically is nothing but it is a name of the activity of thinking, feeling, or recalling from the memories. You know, recalling any kind of data we need from our past. When there is no activity, then there is no mind. Brain is there, but yeah, whenever the little activity will start, mind will come in picture. So mind is non-physical, but mind is more powerful. Brain is just a hardware, like Zoom app is powerful, Facebook is powerful, WhatsApp is powerful, AI, Chat GPT is powerful. In the same, just coming, sorry, some pop-up is there. Yeah. So what I was saying is, main thing is the software that is installed in the hardware. That's how we are using it. A smartphone, unless you're not installing some applications that you use, you're hardly using the functionality of it. You can just make some calls and all. That is why mind is more powerful, but it is hard to understand mind because it is non-physical. Every year, a lot of research happen. I go through the research. Based on that, I create the practices. But the more we learn about the mind, the more we learn that we hardly know anything about it. Still, people are these days learning a lot, but it is non-physical. That is why it has been said that we are just using its 1 or 2% capability.